Brazilian spinach or Alternanthera sessilis or sissoo plant. It is another one important medicinal plant. It is a small herb. It contains very small, and leaves are very greenish, and flowering is white colors flowers. The plants mainly used as different types of benefits. For the traditionally, it is used for the treatment of various ailments such as hypertension and pain relievement and anti-inflammation activities in many regions, and it is also used as a diabetic plants and anti-cancer, and it is especially the mental disorder. The phytochemicals of in the Alternanthera sessilis containing beta sterols and sigma sterols. It is effect on central nervous system, so that's why the plant is used a mental disorder treatment purpose. Especially in nutrition values, the plants containing vitamin C, vitamin E, benzopyrene, and volatile oils and triterpenoids. It is used for the cooling purpose, diuretic purpose, and anti-hemorrhoids benefits for the especially eyes benefits. It is also used as vegetables in India. In tradition, it is preparation for using preparation of the hair oils. In 100 grams of plant material, the total fat is 0.89 percentage 9 grams. It is almost 1 percentage. Carbohydrates 11.89 grams, almost 4 percentage, and fiber 2.1 grams. It is 8 percentage. Sugar 11 percentage. Vitamin C is 28 percentage, more than 28 percentage. Calcium 15 percentage, and iron is most important content. It is more than 93 percentage. So that's why it is very useful for the treatment.